Okay, so now we are going to work on the second stimulus-based conversation. And the theme that we're working on is on community, specifically on community clubs. So before we begin, I'm just going to review the trees approach, and I will review this on every video that we do, okay, so that you'll be able to, refresh your memory on what approach this is. Now, when giving your answers for stimulus-based conversations, if you are stuck and you don't know what to say, remember that you always begin with a thought. Yes, I would. No, I would not. Yes and no. After you give your thought, you have to give your reasons. Now, your reasons, usually I would recommend that you give a minimum of 2 reasons. Make sure that your reasons, when you are giving your reasons, is not like comprehension questions, whereby you give, oh, I would go because number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. No. When you give your reasons, make sure that for every reason you give an example or an experience to back up the reasons that you give. So remember, you can give 2 reasons. That's perfectly fine. You do not need to give many reasons, but give quality over quantity.